Welcome back to the English classroom. My name is Nisha and today's session is a practice session on the use of punctuation marks. I have linked the punctuations video for your reference. Also, as always, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us now begin with the practice exercise. Add the correct punctuation marks in these sentences. First one. The girl's father sat in a corner. Is there a punctuation mark missing here? Yes, there is. The girl, apostrophe S, to show possession. Father sat in a corner. Full stop. The next one. He was honest, sincere and hardworking. Here there is one big mistake. What is it? Yes, the sentence has to begin with a capital letter. So the correct punctuation marks will be he was honest, comma, sincere and hardworking. Full stop. The third one. What a beautiful dress. Is it a question or do we add an exclamation mark? Yes, the answer is what a beautiful dress! Exclamation mark, to show that you absolutely love the dress. The next one. When I was a child, I could watch TV whenever I wanted to. Can you guess the punctuation mark? Yes, when I was a child, comma, I could watch TV whenever I wanted to. Full stop. Some people work best in the mornings, others do better in the evenings. Can you guess? Okay, the correct answer is some will begin with a capital letter. Some people work best in the mornings, semicolon, others do better in the evenings. Full stop. This is because both these sentences are connected to each other. The next one. I want the following items: butter, sugar and flour. The correct answer is I want the following items, colon, butter, comma, sugar and flour, full stop. Here the colon is used to introduce a list. The next one. After the play, we went for dinner. Here the correct punctuation mark is after the play, comma, we went for dinner, full stop. The next one. These are Peter's books. This may seem right at first, but there is a punctuation mark that is missing. Can you guess? These are Peter apostrophe S books, to show possession, to show that these books belong to Peter. Full stop at the end of the sentence. The next one. We learned the following at the camp: rock climbing, canoeing and rafting. So these are the different tasks that they learned at the camp. Can you guess? Okay. We learned the following at the camp: colon, rock climbing, comma, canoeing and rafting, full stop. Here the colon is used to introduce a list. The last one. Who do you think will win the contest? Easy one, isn't it? You tell me. Who do you think will win the contest? Question mark. Why is that? Because this is a question. How many of those questions were you able to answer? Do not forget to mention it in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Tune into the channel for more content. Until then, happy learning.